Hi everyone, today we'll be making noodle soup. The ingredients are 1 whole garlic, 1 whole onion, 3 pieces of galanga, 3 pieces of kaffir lime leaf, some rice noodle, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, half bottle of the hoisin sauce, bean sprout, and beef meatball, 1 big giant bone, and about 6 pounds of rib eyes. You also need 1 pack of pho spice and 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, and 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Next, what you need to do is to grill your onions and your garlic and pour in your spices into the bag. Next, what you need to do is to fill the pot with water halfway and let it come to boil. And once your water is boiled, now you need to add in all of your ingredients. Now it's time to put in your giant bone. Close the lid and let it cook for 2 hours. After 2 hours, it's time to add in your meat. And let the meat cook for 1 hour. The meat's been cooking for a while now. Now it's time to add in your carrots. Now let it cook for another 30 minutes. Now remove your spice bag. Now the soups are done. It's time to make our noodle. These are the things we need to make our noodle. I have some bean sprout, I have some onions, green onions, chives, and basil. I have meatball, I have beef, shrimp, and the rice noodle. Here's the bowl of noodle. Enjoy!